Push the bulb housing to free it from the mud guard. It should pop out without too much force. The retention clip may have been placed in either direction, so if pushing towards the A-pillar does not free the housing, try applying pressure towards the bumper bar. Pull the bulb housing away from the rubber bulb socket. Make sure to hold onto the bulb socket firmly and do not wrench the lead. Remove the old bulb and firmly replace with a 5-watt 12-volt wedge-tail bulb. Replace the bulb housing to the bulb socket, then reinstall the entire assembly, making sure that the detent in the retention clip sits against the edge of the panel. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.